Hello everybody, Dr. Fox here at Precise Chiropractic in Troy, and I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite exercises for the neck. And this exercise, it's not designed to build in a lot of muscle strength, it's just designed to help correct biomechanics. So a lot of people walk around and their heads are forward like this. This exercise is to help restore that normal upright posture. So what you do is you go up against the wall, your butt's going to be flat against the wall, your shoulders are going to be flat against the wall. You're going to try to not arch your back or anything like that. What you're going to do is just let your head drop down into that poor posture where your chin's tucked forward and down, and then you're going to imagine that there's a string at the back of your neck, and it's going to lift up at the back of your head. You'll probably feel a stretch in these muscles here in the back of the spine. That's totally normal. The goal is not to do a whole lot of effort into this or push back. It's just to go through that motion. And you'll do that 10 to 15 times. And it should be painless. If there's any pain with it, then stop the exercise and talk to one of us here at the office. But this is going to help to get those muscles in the back of the neck stretched out. It's helped to get that head from being forward, back, centered over the top of the spine. It's going to take a lot of stress off of the muscles in the back of the neck, help you not waste energy holding all that muscle tension, and you're going to feel better overall. So signing off here, Dr. Fox at Precise Chiropractic in Troy.